Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that's been stirring up quite a bit of debate lately, offering namaz on the streets of Delhi during Ramadan. So what's all the fuss about? Well, it all started when Shoaib Jamai, AIMIM's Delhi president, made a statement defending the practice. He argued that if roads can be blocked for Hindu festivals like the Kanwar Yatra, then arrangements should be made for Eid prayers, which only last about 10-15 minutes. Let's break this down. Jamai's point is that Delhi is a city for everyone, and our constitution guarantees the freedom to practice one's religion. He believes that just like the Kanwar Yatra, a Hindu festival that sees roads being blocked, Eid prayers should also be accommodated. It's about inclusivity and ensuring everyone gets to practice their faith freely. But as you can imagine, not everyone agrees. Some BJP leaders and members of the public have raised concerns about traffic congestion and the disruption it causes to daily commuters. They argue that while religious freedom is important, public spaces should remain accessible to all and not be used in ways that inconvenience others. For instance, the Meerut police recently banned unauthorized roadside prayers before Eid al-Fitr, threatening legal action against those who don't comply. Similarly, the Sambal administration banned road prayers and the use of loudspeakers, citing safety concerns and directing people to designated prayer areas instead. On the other side of the debate, we have voices like Samajwadi Party MP Ikra Hassan, who supported street prayers, emphasizing their short duration and accusing the UP government of spreading hatred. And some locals have expressed similar sentiments, highlighting the importance of faith in their lives. So, what's the core issue here? It's about balancing the freedom to practice religion with maintaining public order and convenience. While some argue that the brief Eid prayers are comparable to the longer road closures for Kanwar Yatra, others feel that public roads should primarily serve their intended purpose: travel. Traditionally, Eidgaghs are used for prayers, but when these spaces overflow due to large crowds, some spillover onto the streets is inevitable. The question is, how do we manage this in a way that respects everyone's rights and needs? In the end, this debate highlights the broader issue of how we, as a society, navigate the delicate balance between religious freedom and public convenience. Delhi, with its rich tapestry of cultures and traditions, has always been a city of diversity. The challenge lies in finding harmony in this diversity, ensuring that everyone feels included and respected. So, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think arrangements should be made for Eid prayers on streets, or do you believe public spaces should remain clear? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care.